Okay, here I am. City of Fergus Falls, Minnesota, Adams Park on Grotto Lake. And this is Grotto Lake. Just gonna take a little walk along in this park here. Take a look at the lake and just kind of see what we got here. Let's take a look and see what this is. Located at the corner of Alcott Avenue and Sheridan Street, Madison Elementary School opened in 1897. Constructed of perm cream colored brick with a hewn stone foundation, the school was built by Fergus Falls contractor John Lauritsen for about $8,000. The building was expanded in 1939 by Works Progress Administration laborers. Declining enrollment closed Madison in 1976 and the building was demolished on March 7, 1979. Former students fondly recall the dedicated teachers and staff who shaped their lives inside those humble halls. Okay. Wow, I never knew there was a elementary school at this location right here. Wow. So that Madison must be from the actual building itself. Wow. Cool. Okay. There's what it looked like. Yeah, and there's the Madison right there. The building is demolished. Well, there we go. Oh yeah, there's a ballpark right there. There's Grotto Lake down there. There's a picnic shelter. Bunch of geese now. Let's go take a closer look at them. Okay, they're kind of in the shade there. Let's see if we can get a... These are all mostly goslings. This year's brood. Kind of... Hope the camera's picking them up. There's just some people here that I think they're tossing breadcrumbs out to them or something. They had their fill, now they're kind of sitting down and relaxing. Yeah, look at all the birds on there. Right in the middle of town, practically. I'm gonna walk down further and get another angle from the further down. Eggshell. Cool. Yeah, look at that little bunch there. Look at that. Tree. Some little ones. I see two. Well, there's a third one over there behind the other. There we go. Okay, so they got three little ones. Let's take a look at that island from over here. Kind of an interesting thing to see. There's that island over there in the background. Got a nice playground here. And there's the ballpark is right there, a restroom. Really nice developed park here. How about some more geese? And over yonder, we have a giant otter. Got some kids climbing up on it right now. Maybe some other day I'll come back out here and take a closer look at it, but I'll just let them have their fun right now. But here it is, Grotto Lake. Adams Park on Grotto Lake. Pretty cool. Nice park. Okay, back in the car. It was kind of a nice walk around Adams Park here on Grotto Lake here in Fergus Falls. Been meaning to come out here earlier, but you know the timing didn't work out, and also the battling the weather. But beautiful, beautiful day today. I'm glad I was able to get out here and take a look at some of the birds. That island out there is really cool, and that giant otter. And I'll make it a point to come back out and take a closer look at the otter some other day in another video in the future. So there were people kind of hanging around on it today. But that's good that they're having fun. But anyways, that's going to wrap up this video. And thanks for watching, and see you next week.